Hello, let's play and learn with this toy. Can you guess what toy it is? Let's continue playing with the toy. Look, there are some red cubes stacked in the toy. Next, several orange cubes are stacked on top of the red cubes. Then, the blue cubes are stacked on top of the orange cubes. After that, the pink cubes, and lastly the green cube. Wow, that reminds me of the shape of a pyramid. This is a pyramid cube toy, and the colored cubes have numbers on them. Let's count the cube together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Please, subscribe this channel.